Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick Tremor. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera. We do get a Bedliner with this vehicle with hook tie-downs, which is all pretty nice. Got the Tremor decal right there, mud flaps on the rear and front. Got the Tremor rims with beefy off-road tires. We got the Tremor decals on the side, as well as blind spot detection and side view camera. And moving to the front, we do get the decals on the hood, which adds a nice sleek look to the vehicle. Yellow recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. Got some yellow splatter print on here, yellow stitching. Plenty of door space in the back with yellow accents. Floor mats with a carpeted interior. USB-Cs, 120 volt with a hook. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. The nice Tremor logo stitched into the leathering. Plenty of more door space up front. Upgraded sound system. Got your lights, powered windows, mirrors, locks, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 19 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, the yellow stitching, toggle free screen, drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume mute, cruise control, and paddle shifters. Looking at our drive modes real quick, we do get normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road. We got eco and slippery. We're going to go back to normal real quick. And on our main screen here, we do get a digital speedometer, lane centering, and my view, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, navigation, and other settings. To memory, we got our gear select, parking brake, tons of storage. We got 4-wheel drive lock, traction control, rear locking diff, trail control, and auto stop auto start. We do get storage in your center console. Engine start stop, 12 volt, and some outlets, and we do get a nice powered rear window opener, which is pretty nice. Up here we have our Pro Trailer Assist, volume, auto hold, max temp, hazards, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle. Play back, play forward, storage below, and on the dash and above me we got our feature for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, you have your navigation, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. Climate controls at the bottom with dual climate, heated front seats, and steering wheel. Here's what your navigation looks like. Pretty easy to use. You can zoom in or out pretty easy. Reset, search, recents, and favorites. And you got your audio on the side here, so you can keep open at the same time. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, settings, just your normal vehicle settings. Features of the vehicle, towing, driving assist, owner's manual, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA16870, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.